Come on, Papa. We've got a puppy, a badly behaved puppy.
Oh, she got me up 3 times in the night, and then she got Sian up this morning.
Yeah.
Early.
5:30 this morning, she's barking, and I was suddenly like, oh God, what's wrong? So I'm dressing gown on out the door. Is everyone all right? And they're like, yes. The dog's being annoying. I was like, okay.
But I made your mum a cup of tea.
That was very nice of you. I didn't. I went back to bed. But I hadn't managed to get to sleep until.
The trouble is, I didn't get back to sleep.
He's trying to throw things at us. We haven't done Merry Vlogmas yet.
Merry Vlogmas!
He's warming up.
I am warming up.
He is warming up. Okay, so it's the 9th. Except that it's not really, but it's not day 9 for us. Have you done your nails again?
I've just topped them up.
Good grief.
Are you going to sing me happy birthday then?
Not today, tomorrow. Besides, I'm not sure anyone's been bad enough to listen to us sing.
I heard you last night.
I did not sing at all last night.
Oh right. Do you want me to get it out for you?
Blind leading the blind.
Thank you.
Ooh.
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 135 degree East Hygo dry gin. There we go. There we go. The Jaffa Cake gin last night. I really liked that. I had a taste of that. It smelt like alcoholic Terry's chocolate orange, and it tasted like alcoholic Terry's chocolate orange. And I don't like gin.
It was too sweet.
You drank it?
Yes.
Did you drink Susan's as well?
No.
Oh. She didn't finish
That
hers.
will give you a lift.
Who finished Susan?
It went down the drain.
Aww.
I was going to drink it when I came home.
Well, you didn't.
I didn't.
My turn,
No,
my
it
turn, my
wasn't
turn.
there.
There we go. Oh, some of these are very
Oh, it's there. It's
pithy.
there.
Ooh, ginger.
Ooh,
I like
that
this
sounds
one.
Nice.
I do like this one, and it's dark chocolate. 70%.
I really
So this
like
is
that.
definitely one that I am allowed. Okay, Dad is already reading the story for day 9. I enjoyed yesterday's one. I liked
Yeah, it was
that.
good.
Mum's off to play bridge later this afternoon. In fact, in minutes. So she may disappear halfway through the sleuthing process.
She may, yes.
I think we've still got. No, you.
I've got a bit of time.
We've got a bit of time. Okay. We've been
Fine.
managing to do them in
Where
about
is it?
20 minutes.
There's 8 riddle cards in here.
Oh, good grief!
Yeah.
That sounds a lot.
And it's a cave.
Ooh.
And
Okay.
with paintings.
Oh.
Oh, it's a woolly mammoth. There is a woolly mammoth. Oh, and there's clues. Oh no, that's from.
Oh.
That was from the other day.
Right. Lots of woolly mammoths.
Oh, and there's berries or paint on the. I'm guessing it's paint. And it's a woolly mammoth,
Let's have a
a
look.
bison, and a person.
Is it paint or blood?
I think it's berries that's turned into paint. That's berries,
both.
right?
Yeah. Right. Clue number 1 is a bag, a sack. No, it's hand painted.
Oh, okay. So that's.
So what are these across here?
There's suns. Oh, and that one's highlighted, but this one isn't. We got some paper.
Yep.
The dog is unhappy with being in the room. She won't want to go out now. She just wants it open so she can look. She is basically a cat in a dog body.
She is.
Bless her.
There's a mammoth and is it a sheep or a cow? I think
it's a bison. Yeah, that's what I've been calling it.
The stone tablets have been muddled up. Can you sort them properly?
Ah, so
Oh, so
That's one.
one.
If you lay them out side by side in the correct order, you can see the brightly marked sun wander from the far left to the far right.
yeah, we've done
Yep, and it is not only the sun that wanders. Somehow you can't get rid of the feeling that even mammoths, buffaloes and humans wander over the stone tablet. Right.
So mammoth, bison, person.
That one there.
That one there. We got the answer right.
Yep.
We did it!
Yay! That was quick.
But good.
We're getting the hang of it.
Oh, no. Oh, it's the one that we had to put the things in on the first day. It's where the things from,
right.
because we had to put things in the bin on the first day.
Oh.
So there's 3 little doodads in there that we
What
had.
sort of doodads?
An apple with a worm coming out of it, a witch and
reindeer
a
head.
skull, and yeah,
Alright.
and we had to fit them in the little bin,
Okay.
but not open the thing.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
So
Well, fine.
there'll be pieces that we've seen before
Yeah.
in tomorrow's.
We haven't found our limitations yet, have we?
Well, yeah,
We had
ringing
trouble.
We did
bells.
yesterday.
Ringing bells.
The bells with
No, yesterday was good. Ringing bells and the numbers, the clues on the Sherlock Holmes one. Words are hard.
Right.
Well, you can go bridge.
I shall
I'm going to go and make my hot chocolate, and you're going to go do some more painting.
I'm going to go and paint.
Paint. I will give you a painting update in a second as well. Okay. Can't really smell the ginger, but I can taste it, and it's very nice. It's definitely, again, not one of my favourites. I've had it before and I do enjoy it, and I will happily drink this, but I wouldn't buy the whole box or sachet because it's not my favourite taste. Again, Black Forest Gatto is still reigning strong, although that nut milk one was really good, very Ferrero Rocher-esque, which is a taste that I do like. Yeah. Do they do praline flavoured chocolates with dark chocolate? Does anyone know? Because that would be delicious. I am going to get on with the book tote blog post. I have edited the sew along for it, and I'm surprised, but it's actually very, I think, legible. Like, not legible, but understandable. I think it works, and so I would like to try and get that out tomorrow. Fingers crossed. It will be in some point tomorrow. You will be seeing hopefully that before you're seeing this, so fingers crossed I was successful. If not, it'll be out on Sunday. I have edited the Halston skirt, and I need to redo the drafting thing again because the pen that I used is just not clear enough for me, and I knew what I was doing. So yeah, I think following along with that, it wouldn't be the clearest thing. So I think I need to do it at a slightly larger scale than I did, use a slightly thicker pen so that it's obvious what I'm doing. But that's the only bit of that bit that, that is the only bit of that video that needs to be redone, and so that can just be dropped in. The rest of the edit is done for the Halston skirt, so fingers crossed that could come out next week. I do also want to try and whip up a paintbrush holder for Papa. I think I might actually just make this one rather than film the process, because I am going to be making myself one for my makeup brushes. It would be nice to be able to show you a couple of different finished sizes, because the only restriction or the only dimension that you need to worry about is the width of the thing or the height of the thing that's going in, you know, the height of the brush. Or you can use them for knitting needles, or you can use it for, I've seen Angela Clayton made one and uses it for corset boning storage, so she has a different, so yeah, the only restriction is the length, the height, the width, depending on which way you look at it, of the thing that you want to put in there. But like I say, it's Dad's birthday. I don't think I have actually said, I keep saying like I say, I've noticed that a lot because I'm editing by myself so much at the moment. It's Dad's birthday tomorrow. He knows what he's getting for his birthday. He's already had his presents from Mum and I, his paints and his easel and his paintbrushes. But I would like to try and make him a little something as well. And I really don't think it's going to be a very long process, but I think trying to film it will be a long process. Also, it will be really nice to trial and error it out and then film the process for the next one with all the kinks ironed out. I did want to iron the kinks out in my one and then give Dad the perfect one, but you know, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. So that is the plan for today. Blog post for the book tote. I still need to film the intro and outro for the book tote, and I'm going to do that tomorrow morning, which means I need to put makeup on again tomorrow morning. Fun times. But yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. It's going to be dresses next week. That's what I want to work on next week, is the dresses. So the 9076, the Star Trek dress, and start working on the red dress, red silken velvet dress, but probably the muslin first and then the red silken velvet dress. That is 3 things. One of them is going to be very quick though. The Star Trek dress, the version that I've decided to go down, I think it's going to be very quick because I've already traced the pattern. I know it fits, I just need to tweak it a little bit. So yeah, that's going to be the quick one. I might get that one done first. And then I've got the mammoth task of editing that footage. There's 31 gigs of it at the moment. There's like 6 hours of footage because I've done 3 tries at this dress. I'm not going to make it like 3 whole tries and then the 4th try is the charm. Fingers crossed, don't jinx myself, touch wood. But I am going to do it so that I try and pick out the funny bits from the first 3 tries, or the foreshadowing, or the, like, you know, you are so wrong about this bits from the first, which means I have to watch through all of that footage, so that one's going to be a long edit process. I would like to have it up before December, but I don't know if that's going to happen realistically, so we shall see. Anyway, I've waffled at you for 5 minutes about all the things I'm going to do, so I'm going to go and do all the things, and fingers crossed I will have some things to show you later on today. Wish me luck.
3 hours later.
I haven't been very chatty today, but I have got a lot of work done behind the scenes. So the blog post pictures are done, and I'm going to go up to the main house later after I've edited this to put them into the blog post and write the blog post. There's not a lot to do on that because the majority of the explanation for how to make the bag is going to be in the video, but I want the blog post to be there as well because it's got the cutting guide and the diagrams for the cutting guide and the pieces that need to be cut. So yeah, but I've got the images edited, the little words are hard, and I have made the brush roll. I'm really pleased with it. I'm genuinely surprised that this has come out as well as it has. I was a bit worried that I was totally winging it and it was going to end up a mess, but no, it's worked out really well. So obviously this is wipe clean and this is wipe clean, and there's space for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 22 brushes, but some of the holes or holders are quite large, so you probably would fit more than one brush in there. But I really like it. I really like it. I was a bit worried about the fabric I've used as a binding in combination with this. I thought it might be a bit much, but I actually think it's come out really well. And it is the New York skyline. You can't see because my arm is in the way. Did I get a Liberty, Statue of Liberty on there? I don't think I did. Oh, I cut her head off. I didn't mean to, but I was very limited on fabric. Oh, and there's one right down here in there. And this fabric has actually got like silvery glittery bits on it, and then the binding has gold in it, so kind of a bit of everything, and it goes with a nice sparkly background. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this, and like I say, this would work for any kind of thing that you want to store. So knitting needles, makeup brushes. I'm going to do one for makeup brushes. If you did it for those things, you wouldn't need it obviously to be wiped clean, but for paint brushes and makeup brushes, you do want it to be wiped clean. That will be for Dad for tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. I'm really pleased with that. It was actually really quick. Once I'd worked out how the pockets were concertinaed, it was really easy to see. It's like, oh, I get it now. I was worried that that bit was going to be the messy bit, but it's worked out really well. So yeah, very pleased with this. Very pleased indeed. Will make myself a makeup brush one and we'll record the process, so show you how I do it. But it wasn't difficult. Like I say, it really wasn't difficult, so it's probably a good last minute present option as well. But I'm going to call it a night for now because I've got this to edit, I've got all that other stuff to edit, and I need to go and start doing that. And also sit with Chi because she's been very shouty today. She's been wanting some attention and some company, and I've not been able to give her very much, which is sad. So yeah, I'm going to go sit with her as well. Super cat, you comfy? Yeah, so comfy. I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I have filmed today, and I will see you all tomorrow for more Vlogmas. Bye!